today we decided to take a road trip to Columbus, Indiana. There's a little trail here and there's a falls called Anderson Falls, but I'm heading into the bathroom. This place looks totally sketch and disgusting. I'm a little bit afraid. Oh, actually, there's no bathroom. It is boarded up, I assume. Creepy. Okay, so hope you don't need to use the toilet. Maybe it does. I don't know. This is like, no. I hope this trip gets better, because this is not looking good.
So as you walk from the parking lot across the road, this is part of the trail system for the nature preserve here. They have a charcoal grill, a little shelter house, and as you can see, all the trash cans are full. There's trash everywhere here.
I'm just gonna say, like, what is going on in Columbus, Indiana? I have never been to a place that has been so trashy. But it looks like somebody had a party out here and nobody cleaned it up. I mean, this is just disgusting. And I think this is the trashiest park I've ever been to. But as you can see, there's a nature path. It looks like there's a 1 3/4 mile loop on, no, actually there's 2 paths. Path 1 is a 3/4 mile moderate loop, and path 2 is a 1/4 mile easy, so total of a mile. So you've got 2 paths, well, 2 paths, but this path heads this way, and then down here comes to the falls. So like I said, we're gonna see where we end up at.
As we walk from the shelter house on the path here, we're going to go over to the falls. And as you can see, Amanda's already at the observation deck.
Well, here is a view of the falls from the observation deck. Not a whole lot of water flowing today, but there is a path that goes down to the falls. We're going to take some of these trails and just see what we get into down here. Maybe things get better.
There's a little side path here. A little trail that goes through the woods as part of their trail system.
Here I am at the top of the falls, but So apparently you cross the river right here, and over there should be a trail that makes the loop, but we're not going to do that today. We did not come prepared to get wet. But overall, I'll just say, without rating the trail, the cleanliness of this park is very, very bad.
All right, so Anderson Falls near Columbus, Indiana is a very big disappointment. Could be a beautiful place, however it's not been maintained. Trash cans are overflowing. There's trash laying all over the place. The trails are growed up. You can't hardly see the falls because of the brush that's growed up, and you can't even get to the trail on the other side of the creek because of so much moss that's wet and the slick rocks in the water. Very disappointed in this place. I would not recommend coming here to see this. It's not worth the drive here. Thank you for watching.